Hi, good morning. Welcome back to yet another Mindless Monday vlogs. Time right now is 5:30 a.m. and I'm already up to work. What is this newfound dedication? I don't know. I mean, अगर मुझे पता होता ना कि स्टार्टिंग अ यूट्यूब चैनल उसके बाद मुझे अंदर इतनी एंथ और डेडिकेशन आ जाएगी फॉर वर्क आई वुड हैव स्टार्टेड माई यूट्यूब चैनल लाइक ईयर्स अगो बिकॉज जितनी एंथ और जितनी डेडिकेशन से आई हैव वोकन अप एट लाइक 5 इन द मॉर्निंग आज आई हैव नॉट डन दैट इवन फॉर माई बोर्ड एग्जाम्स. In this COVID situation, if there is one thing that I have learned is to make a mean cup of hot coffee and a mean glass of cold coffee. So here are my first posters, story art, whatever you want to call it, for my first ever workshop. Yay! This is for Insta post. I have basically taken my photograph and illustrated it, and I kind of like the colors. So registrations are open till 30th. The shoe painting workshop. This is a bigger size. This is for Insta stories. Same illustration, just change the color and background. Do you also have a kind of days where you have so much of work that you don't know where to start, and instead of working, you're just chilling? Because I have that kind of days, and today is one of those days where I have so much of work. Like, I also slept late last night because I was working till 1:30. Like, surprising, I was awake till late night and I was not binge watching anything. I was working. I woke up at 7:30 and I was like, shit, I am late. And then I just put my phone aside and I was like, it's okay, I don't want to wake up right now. And I slept again. So yeah, I woke up at quite late, and then I'm just chilling, like doing random things instead of like working when I have shit lots of work to do. And I think that's what happens when you just exhaust yourself so much that you want a breather, although you know that you don't have time to take a breather, but you still want to take a breather because your brain needs to recharge itself. That's what's happening with me right now. I'm in kitchen, if you can't make it out yet, and I'll just make myself a good cup of coffee and probably will sit for work, or probably will watch one episode. Not sure yet. Also, something happened yesterday. So my mom bought a new OTG, and while she was getting it back home, an auto bumped into that OTG. Some कुछ तो ऐसे road rash हो गया है and all that. And when we opened it, it was all broken. So this is the OTG, and it's like all packed up. मतलब खोला था and it was all broken, and now we need to go and talk to the shopkeeper. We need to talk to the shopkeeper about what can be done, because this is like not even 24 hours old and it's not used. It is nothing, like flap खोला देखा oh टूटा हुआ है, because there was a road rash and there was a auto who bumped into it, and now we don't know what to do. So mom will go aaj to the shop to talk and see. I'll hopefully it will be all fine and it will be replaced, but I don't know. But I think there is a problem that only people with curly hair or people with thick hair can understand. Ki yeah, there's too much of heat that gets lost in your hair. Like, I can't tie my hair for a really long time because there's heat that gets trapped in the hair, and फिर वो सर बहुत ज़्यादा दर्द करता है. एंड मैं अभी भी इसे हाथ लगाऊँ अपने बालों में, so I can feel it's all hot inside. So अभी भी I'm standing just in front of AC so to cool down my hair. Like, can you relate? Because दिस इज़ अ प्रॉब्लम फॉर मी लाइक ऑल समर्स. पहले मुझे ऐसा लगता था लाइक काफ़ी सालों तक मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि आई गेट दीज हेड एक्स बिकॉज ऑफ माई आई साइट. बट देन आई रियलाइज दैट दीज हेड एक्स ओनली हैपन ड्यूरिंग समर्स एंड नॉट इन विंटर्स. So I finally understood that it is because of the heat that gets trapped in hair. मैं वही कर रही हूँ from every angle. I'm trying कि it gets a little cool down so that I can tie my hair and go to gym. मेरे first world problems काफ़ी अलग हैं बाकी दुनिया से. It's already around 11:30 in the morning. Today is also day 2 of waking up late because sometimes that's all you need to do for your own sanity. Yesterday evening wasn't very pleasant sort of a thing. I came back from the gym and like I don't know what triggered, but I was in a very very low mood. I didn't talk to anyone as such. I just like came back, had my protein, had my dinner, had my bath, and then I sat in a corner and watched my web series till the time I was ready to sleep, which was of course late. So abhi I'll go to market. I'll have to do some grocery shopping because there is absolutely nothing junk in the house to eat, to munch on. Guilty as charged, yes. But yeah, that's about it. And also, I bought a new water bottle yesterday because I broke my gym bottle, so I had to buy. And also, I have my huge cup of coffee here. So I came here for grocery shopping and it was almost empty. Like there was nothing I could find. जो चाहिए था वो कुछ नहीं मिला. I bought some random stuff. But the problem is that today is Wednesday and the market here is closed on Wednesday. So I'm not very sure कि मुझे कहीं और भी कुछ मिलेगा market में. Complete waste of time, energy and resources today. Crazy. Today is Thursday and things are not going great. There have been a lot of anxiety, a lot of overthinking, and a lot of late nights of lately. And honestly, I have no idea how to cope up with it. Every night, like it happened yesterday also, and it happened day before yesterday also. There's certain amount of anxiety that comes along every night, and I'm not really sure what's triggering it. So, but काफ़ी bad है. It's very it just takes me back to the it just takes me back to the darkness that I don't want to go to. Sort of like that. Matlab, I'm not depressed. I am not depressed. But yes, there are times when I am a very anxious person, and don't know why, and I don't know how to do about it. It's not bad enough that I should go to a therapist. So yeah, but I'm trying to work on it by myself. So this is my work desk for the night because I'm too tired sitting at my original work desk and chair. So I'm gonna just relax here on the floor and work. Hi, good morning. सैटरडे एंड आज की ना सुबह काफ़ी नॉन प्रोडक्टिव मोड पर हुई है. आई वॉज सपोज टू वेक अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग एंड शूट अ वीडियो बट आई ओवर स्लेप्ट and now that video has been postponed for tomorrow because I can shoot it right now as well, but it won't be the way that I wanted it to be, so can't help it. Secondly, my hair has a mood of their own, like also please ignore the voices in the background. सुबह सुबह है, घर पे काफ़ी काम हो रहा है and yeah, so my morning has been really unproductive in that way, but I figured out the only way to fix it is to complete all the work that I had planned for Saturday today, so that the things that I were planned for today which were not done, I can do that tomorrow. Make sense? Maybe not, I don't know. Also, I had announced my first ever workshop online this week, so I'm quite excited about that. I am going to make another poster sorts for Insta story and Insta post. AC का एक पार्ट होता है कॉल्ड PCB, वो ख़राब हो चुका है एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट कई बार होता है व्हेन आई स्विच इट ऑन वाया रिमोट इट डज नॉट, और आपको लगता है कि रिमोट ख़राब हो चुका है बट एक्चुअली में प्रॉब्लम AC की होती है. सो दे हैव टेकन आउट द कवर AC का सब ये पार्ट अंदर से निकाल के लेकर गए हैं, जो आई थिंक उन्होंने बोला 1-1.5 घंटे में लगा कर जाएंगे. एंड आई शिफ्टेड माई टेबल टू द अदर साइड ऑफ द रूम. मतलब वहाँ पे मेरी टेबल होती थी विंडो के साथ, मैंने इधर खिसका रखी है, नहीं तो सम इट इज़ अ मैस बिकॉज ऑफ दिस. सो या ये लगेगा और फिर ये लगेगा एंड इट देन टेबल वहाँ जाएगी और वापस से पूरी ठीक होगी. ऑल रेडी टू गो टू जिम. काफ़ी लेट हो चुका है, इट्स ऑलरेडी 6:30 बट जानबूझ के आई डिड नॉट गो अर्ली बिकॉज काफ़ी गर्मी हो रही थी. ऑल्दो आज बारिश हुई थी बट स्टिल इट वॉज क्वाइट हॉट एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा हेडेक हो रहा है, इसलिए मैंने आज पोनी भी नहीं बनाई है. आई यूज़ द हेयर बैंड एंड मैंने ब्रेड करे हैं बाल बिकॉज पोनी से और दर्द होता है. एनीवे लेट्स गो टू द जिम. स्काई टुडे इज सो प्रिटी, so damn pretty. Okay, so I'm in gym and मेरे ना शूज़ में छेद हो गया है, ऐसे फट चुके हैं. आई नीड टू बाय न्यू शूज़ की प्रॉब्लम मैं घर जाके ऑर्डर करूँगी. एंड यहाँ पे ना लेसिस के भी वो टूट चुका है. ऑल्सो आई गॉट अ न्यू वर्कआउट पैंट्स लोअर. दे आर प्रीटी गुड एक्चुअली, काफ़ी अच्छी फिट एंड ऑल है. दिस इज़ 130 लेग प्रेस एंड आई एम टू ट्राई डूइंग इट. AC ठीक हो चुका है ये. नाउ आई कैन जस्ट मूव दिस टेबल बैक टू वेयर इट बिलोंग एंड क्लीन ऑल दिस. एंड AC ठीक हो चुका है. इतना अच्छा लग रहा है ना कि ओहो वाह वाह AC ठीक हो चुका है. दीज फैंस मेक अ लॉट ऑफ नॉइज, तो अगर कभी कुछ रिकॉर्ड करना होता है ना पहले फैंस ऑफ करने पड़ते हैं. कल ना पूरा दिन मेरे अपर बैक में बहुत ज़्यादा पेन था एंड आई रियलाइज इट इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ माई पॉस्चर. इफ़ यू आर समबडी मेरी तरह जिसका काम मेजॉरिटी ऑफ वर्क इज़ डन सिटिंग एट वन प्लेस, पॉस्चर बहुत ज़्यादा ना मैटर करता है. वेल दिस इज़ माई जुगाड़. आई हैव यूज्ड माई प्लानर एज अ लैपटॉप स्टैंड सो दैट ये थोड़ा ऊपर हाइट पर हो जाए एंड मेरा पॉस्चर काफ़ी ठीक हो. But I've decided the best thing is to buy a laptop stand. So I'm just searching for good laptop stands on Amazon and placing an order. So, if you have watched this video till here, you know for a fact that I had some issues this week regarding mental health. I was dealing with some anxiety and other things, and I had no idea what was triggering that. I was supposed to shoot a video on Thursday, but I didn't. I procrastinated it to Friday, and I didn't shoot on Friday as well. I woke up today in. I woke up early morning today to shoot that video. I woke up. I was, mentally calculating things, and then I was like, I don't want to do it. I do not want to do it at that point of time. I probably will do it later. And I went back to sleep. I woke up quite late, and then I just decided that I don't want to, because mentally I am not there. I am not my 100% at the moment. And मैंने ना हमेशा से, like, ever since I started working after my college, there was like one thing that I always followed is like, give your 100%. Either give your 100% or don't do the thing, because आधे मन से करा हुआ काम ना कभी अच्छा नहीं होता. It's better you don't do things than doing it half-heartedly and doing it really really bad. Like, always choose quality over quantity. So when I started making the videos, I decided that I'll do 2 videos a week. But I chose not to do the second video this time, because I wasn't there. I wasn't my 100%, and I rather miss a video than putting out a shitty content. Yeah, that's about it. That's like my thing. नहीं होता, like, you can't, in your conscious mind you can't do bad work. Hi guys, today is Sunday morning क्या 5 मिनट में नून होने वाला है. I, as usual, woke up really late because I slept really late yesterday. Kal, after I think a whole week of being anxious, hyper, probably having a total breakdown, total meltdown परसों रात को. Yesterday was comparatively really good. I saw this show called Masaba yesterday, like binge watch. 6 episode है actually, उसे binge watch भी नहीं बोल रहे हम. But that's, I really like it, to be honest. I really enjoyed it, and well, watch it if you haven't. And Masaba Gupta is such a natural when it comes to acting. Who thought? I am not low on energy. It's just that I have just woken up थोड़ी देर पहले, so it takes a little while for my body to wake up. So it's just that. Okay, so something really amazing happened. Subah there is a friend. I think by now I would start calling her a friend, because she did something जो friends कर सकते हैं only. So कुछ दिन पहले मैंने इंस्टा स्टोरी डाली थी which clearly said that I was having like one of those days where you don't know if you are okay or not. And she just messaged me and she's like, what happened? She just like replied to the story and she's like, what happened? And I was like, nothing, I'm just one of those days and I'm not feeling really good about it. And we have a WhatsApp group जिसमें I haven't been really active of lately because this whole week was kind of crap. So I woke up to her message today. It was just only one line, like, are you feeling okay? And I was like, I was honestly, I am like much better. I woke up really much better. But even if I haven't, in that moment I would have been, because yeah, when you have been a person who would check up on people regularly, sometimes you need somebody to check on you. एंड जब वो होता है ना तो बहुत ही अमेजिंग सी फीलिंग होती है, लाइक somebody cares. Okay, so thank you for checking up on me. I never thought you will, like, I never thought that, like, probably if I have been at your place, I probably wouldn't have given it much thought, but clearly you're a better person than I am, and thank you for doing that. I was going to market and look at the sky. Like, I stopped in the middle of the street to just capture the sky. This is so pretty. Okay, so I'm back from market and it's been a while. I took a bath, washed my head, all of that. I got my no, I got my workshop supplies that I need to pack and courier to all the participants, but I'll do that tomorrow. And now it's time for some dinner and some Suit episodes, so I'm gonna go and watch that. Also, this brings to the end of this vlog, so I hope you like this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, do subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon. Bye.